Hey guys, my name's Alex. I'm a multimedia specialist with Mash and Louder Marketing, and today I'm going to show you how to increase your production value of your videos using lights you could find around your house. Let's get to it. Okay guys, you don't need these fancy aperture lights that have magnets on the back that stick to literally everything to make a good video. All you need is 3 lights, okay? You need 2 lights to evenly light your background, and you need another light, we call it a hair light, to separate your subject from the background. And it's always nice to have a practical light, just like this salt rock lamp, to create some depth in your background. All right guys, so I moved the camera back so you could see the set. I have 3 lights total. I have 2 right here shining directly at me and directly at the scene. And I have another light that's closer that I like to call the hair light, that brings me away from the background. And then obviously I have this practical light that creates that depth in the background that I was talking about before. But another thing that I have going on in this set is that no other exterior lights are on. That means I'm in my living room and I make sure I turn off all the lights in my house before I start filming, because I want to have complete control over the lighting. All right guys, so I just went out to my garage and I found the perfect light for you. A shop light. You can pick one up at Home Depot or Lowe's or your local hardware store, heck, even Walmart, and you can light your video with it. In my case, what I did was, for this circumstance, I just put a Philips Hue light so I can actually control the intensity of the light through the dimmer. All right, so let's take this and we'll actually replace one of my lights with it to see how it looks. All right guys, so I unplugged the light that I had over there and I've replaced it with the light that we set up to show you that for a very low budget, if you don't already have this at home, you can light your videos and have a cinematic, high quality look for a low budget.